Hello, everyone. It's Sena from Filtras Filter. So we are so happy to be part of this great interview with İstanbul Fuar Dergisi. And also thank you so much for inviting us for this great interview. As Filtras Filter, we have been exporting our products more than 25 countries actively. And since 2014, we are manufacturing HVAC filters, dust cartridge filters, and also the back filters. So it's also a great pleasure for us to attend IFTEX exhibition, which is the first time filter exhibition in Turkey. And we are all waiting us to visit us. And also you can always contact us if you need any industrial filters.